Hello students, the last session we learned what is mass. Now we are going to learn the unit of mass. What is unit? The unit is a fixed measurement that is accepted universally. Why we need these units? Let us have a consideration that we are going to make an ice cream. For that, we all should take a cup of milk and a cup of ice cream powder. So, everyone will have a different size of cup. Someone will take a bigger cup and someone will take a smaller cup. So, if we have different size of cup and if we make an ice cream with different measurements, then what will happen? The final output, that is the ice cream, will not be same. Someone will get an ice cream that is more fluid and someone will get an ice cream that is hard to mix. So the amount of particles we choose and we have to make a fixed measurement so that the output will be in a required manner. So we need a fixed measurement. For that, scientists around the world have made some experiments and have given us a specified unit. The unit of mass is kilogram. Kilo means 1000 and gram means a small weight. So, what is a gram? In order to make a gram, they have done an experiment. So, according to that experiment, we need to take a small cup of water. So, what will be the dimension of that cup? The dimension of the cup should be 1 centimeter in height, 1 centimeter in width, and 1 centimeter in length. So, a cup of this size will be used to measure a gram of water. That is, the cup should be filled completely with water, and the weight of this cup must be measured. So, what is weight? Weight is the amount of force acting on this cup of water. So, force acting on this cup will be the gravity. So, gravity is the force across this object towards the ground. So, we have a formula for calculating the weight. That is force acting on this cup of water. So, force is equal to mass into gravity. This means that the amount of force acting on this small cup of water will be product of mass, which means the amount of particles inside this cup and the gravitational force acting on this cup due to the gravitational pull of Earth. The gravitational pull of Earth is 9.81 meters per second square. This is acceleration due to gravity. The force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. This means that weight and mass are directly proportional to each other, so that if a mass increases, then the force will also increase. In this case, weight is the force. So, weight will increase if mass is increased. So, inside Earth, the value of gravitational pull is more or less constant or more or less similar. That is 9.81 meters per second. want to calculate mass, we don't need to calculate each and every particle inside this object. Instead of that, we can measure the weight of this object and then we can easily calculate the mass of this object by using the gravitational constant. So, weight is directly proportional to mass and weight will increase, mass is increased inside Earth. But if we go to a different planet and there the gravitational force might change so that the weight is not constant at any point in space. Weight will be same in Earth, but it will not be same in a different planet. So, for each planet, the gravitational force of a planet will be different, and hence, at different point in space, the weight will be a different value. And hence, we can use weight only in Earth. So, the unit of weight is newtons, which means force, and the unit of mass is kilogram, that is kg.
At first, they used 1 cubic centimeter of water as a sample. Later, they changed the prototype into a platinum iridium alloy that has 90% of platinum and 10% of iridium. Because this alloy will not change its value even after several thousand years. So, it is used as a prototype and it is kept at France. It is the unit of mass.
Okay, students, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.